Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing unboxing video. So I have never done the unboxing especially like this, but the box that is presented is very nice. The presentation and the packing is literally worth sharing. So that's why I'm doing this first unboxing video. So let's go ahead and do this together. Alright, so this is how the package has came to me, and when you open this, these are some decorative material. So let's put them aside just like this. I would like to keep them somewhere, but I'll keep it for now over here. Alright, so let's see what else do we have. Alright, so as you can see, there is a thank you card. Okay, there's nothing behind. For thank you for supporting the Starseeker Tarot. May it inspire you to dream, guide you into truth, awaken your magic. With love, Nikki. So the creator of this particular deck is Nikki Farada. Please ignore the sound because there's the heavy rain, so that's why you might hear a sound of heavy rains. But today itself I got this deck and I wanted to unbox it with you and to share with you, as I'll be using so many cards with you in the pick a card reading. So let's keep it over here just like that and take out. Alright, there's nothing. So what I can do, I'll put this back so that we can have a clean space. Alright, so I'll put this aside. Alright, so there is no bubble wrap in a way, but this paper is reusable, I suppose. Yes, definitely. So this is the paper which I can reuse. Once again, I'll put this aside as well. Alright, so this is what the box look like. Starseeker Tarot. This is a 79 card deck and this is how the back look like. So before going ahead, this is a sticker, the stretch gold you can say. So this is a star card in this particular deck. Alright, so I need to cut it, so just a minute, I'll cut it by the side. This is how it look like. 79 card deck by Nikki Farada. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And this is how the back look like. These are all the cards. So box look open like this, the clamshell. Wow, this is a rose petal. And see, I suppose. Alright, so this is a guidebook. So you have key over here, and so you have over here spreads and meaning for each and every card. So this deck includes total 79 cards, so there is one extra card that will look. So let's see what that card is. So this is alright, so this is the wow, the finish is very nice. So this is how the backs look like. So these are totally reversible. If you want, you can reverse and use it. These are edged in mauve color, you can say, but I don't know how it's camera catching or not, but they have little bit of the glitter and the sparkle, as you can see over here.